Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some flavorful collard greens. I'll be using our Kroger brand collard greens, which definitely cuts down on the prep time, chicken stock, and some thick cut hardwood smoked bacon. Let's get it. I'm going to start by chopping up some onions. Smashing and mincing up some garlic. And roughly chopping up some bacon. Once we've prepped up our ingredients here, I'm just going to turn on our stove, get it nice and hot, and add in our smoked bacon. We're not going to need any oil or anything like that because the fat from the bacon is going to melt and help cook our ingredients together. The smoked bacon especially is great because it's going to add in another layer and dimension of flavor. You can also add in some smoked ham hocks or turkey legs. Once the bacon starts to crisp up and brown, I'm just going to add in our onions and some minced garlic. And just let that saute and cook down a bit. Once the onions start to get translucent, I'm going to start adding in our seasoning. A little bit of salt, some black pepper, chili flakes for some heat, a pinch of cinnamon for some depth, and a little bit of sugar to round out all that flavor. Finish it off with some garlic powder, a little bit of vinegar, and lastly, some chicken stock. This is going to help cook down our greens and add in a lot of flavor. Once everything starts to simmer and come together, I'm going to add in our bag of Kroger collard greens. But if you're making it without pre-cut greens, make sure you wash it with some salt and vinegar water. You can discard the stem or cut the stem really finely so everything, the leaves and the stem, cook evenly together, and you can just tear the leaves right into the pan. If you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full recipe so you can make these delicious collard greens packed with flavor at home. While you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep on seeing some more delicious recipes. And there you have it, folks, some flavorful collard greens.